year 26. This year, India's foreign exchange reserves stood at a healthy $700.2 billion, sufficient to cover more than 11 months of our merchandise imports. Overall, India's external sector continues to be resilient, and we remain confident of meeting our external obligations comfortably. Notwithstanding the robust domestic macroeconomic fundamentals, the rupee has witnessed some depreciation accompanied by phases of volatility. We are keeping a close watch on the movements of the rupee and will take appropriate steps as warranted. I'll now be covering the liquidity and financial market conditions in the country. System liquidity, as measured by the net position under the LAF, stood at an average daily surplus of 2.1 lakh crore rupees since the last MPC meeting in August. Going ahead, the drawing down of government cash balance and the remaining 75 basis points cut in the CRR, which was announced earlier, in the remaining period of October and November, will aid the banking system liquidity in the near term. Through our two-way operations, we will actively manage liquidity to anchor the short-term rates. Money market rates have been relatively stable amidst comfortable liquidity conditions. During this easing cycle from February till August, for which we have data till now, in response to this 100 basis points cut in the policy repo rate, the weighted average lending rate of scheduled commercial banks moderated by 58 basis points. For fresh rupee loans, 71 basis points is on account of the interest rate effect. The moderation for outstanding rupee loans is to the extent of 55 basis points. Similarly, on the deposit side, the weighted average domestic term deposit rate on fresh deposits declined by 106 basis points against the 100 basis points cut, while that on the outstanding deposits softened by 22 basis points over the same period. Transmission of this monetary policy has been broad-based across sectors. Going forward, adequate liquidity in the system and the remaining CRR cuts will further facilitate monetary transmission.